Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wasallam. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn a prophet story, Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam. Let's start. The prophet Yusuf alayhi salam and his brothers. A long time ago, there lived an old man. His name was Yaqub alayhi salam, or Jacob alayhi salam, and he was a prophet. The prophet Yaqub alayhi salam had 12 sons. He loved them all, but most of all he loved his two youngest sons, the prophet Yusuf alayhi salam and Binyamin. The elder brothers were jealous of Yusuf alayhi salam. They wanted their father to love them more. They planned to get rid of Yusuf alayhi salam. One day, Yaqub alayhi salam was sitting in front of his tent. His sons came to meet him. They said, "Let us take Yusuf with us. He is quite big now. He can play and we will look after the sheep." The prophet Yaqub alayhi salam did not like this idea, but he let the prophet Yusuf alayhi salam go with his elder brothers. When they were a little away from the village, they got hold of the prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. Then they threw him into dry well. The prophet Yusuf alayhi salam landed at the bottom of the well. He looked up. He could see sky far above his head. He thought, "This well is very deep. I cannot climb that high. What should I do?" He became very scared. By chance, a caravan was passing nearby. It was very hot. Both men and camels were very thirsty. One man spotted the well. He said to others, "Let's get some water from the well." Some men came to the well. One of them took a bucket on a rope and dropped it into the well. Then he pulled the bucket up, and what did they see? There was a boy climbing to the bucket. They started to shout, "A boy! A boy!" Everybody crowded around the well. They were very surprised. They were going to Egypt and decided to take the prophet Yusuf alayhi salam with them. They said, "We will sell him in the market. Some rich man will surely buy him." In Egypt, they sold him to Aziz. The prophet Yusuf alayhi salam grew up in Egypt. It was many years before he saw his brothers again, and many more years before he saw his father. But that is another story. Thank you very much.